See yourself getting stronger and living a happier and healthier life. Because real strength isn't just about what you can physically accomplish. It's about becoming stronger mentally, emotionally, and financially. It's about waking up each morning knowing you're building a life that gives you more choices, more freedom, and more control over your future. But here's the thing, that kind of life usually doesn't happen by accident. At some point, you have to make a decision to stop simply accepting where you are and start creating where you want to go. Maybe you want more financial freedom. Maybe you want to build something of your own. Maybe you're tired of trading your time for a paycheck and wondering whether you'll ever truly get ahead. Or maybe you simply know you're capable of more. That's where TruPowur comes in. At TruPowur, we help motivated entrepreneurs build their own business in one of the largest industries in the world, energy. Think about it. Every business needs electricity and energy to operate. And when you can help customers uncover potential overcharges, reduce unnecessary expenses, and make smarter energy decisions, you're providing a service with real-world value. And instead of starting from scratch, TruPowur provides the technology, training, tools, support, and resources to help you build your business. More importantly, you have the opportunity to create something most traditional jobs simply cannot provide: compounding residual income. Income that has the potential to grow as you continue building your customer base, month after month, year after year. Imagine what your life could look like if the work you do today continued creating income tomorrow. That's not just about making more money. It's about building more freedom, more choices, more confidence, and potentially creating a completely different future for yourself and your family. So, if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.